Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create routes constant for all the pages. So for that, we need to create one more folder. So right click on source src, and here I'll create a folder with the name constants. Okay, so constant, and inside I'll create a new file with the name as routes.js. Okay, so we already created the login page. So I'll create a const for login. So const login, that is equal to /login. So similarly, we will create all the const for all the pages. So first one will be dashboard, that is equal to /. This will be a default page. Let me save this and let me duplicate. So option shift and down arrow key. Okay, so now we will create the constant for sign up page. So sign up, and this will be sign up, and the next one will be for profile, and profile will be something dynamic, so we need to keep it something like this. So /p/: username. Okay, this will be dynamic because there will be a lot of other usernames also, so that we will see in the future lecture. And now here the last one will be not found. Okay, so not found page, so we also need not found. So anything in the browser which does not have the route, so that will go to not found page. So here I'll give the URL as not found. Let me save this, and now you can import this route in any of the pages where it is required. So right now we need this route in app.js. So here I'll just import star. So the star means import everything from the routes file. So now here I'll say as routes, okay, from, and here we will give the path. So dot slash constant slash routes. Okay, now we need to use this for login. So here I'll remove this. Instead of slash login, I'll say routes dot, and now it will give me the suggestion. So we need login. Okay, let me save this, and if I check in the browser, so everything will work fine as it is. So first the loading will come, and then it will say I am login page. So we have created a constant file which is having all the routes for the pages. So now we can import one by one. So this we will see in the coming up lectures. From the next lecture, we will start working on the login page. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.